If risotto is also one of those food that you are looking for its recipe, watch this video. What's going on, guys? How are you doing? My name is Cheyenne and today we are going to make an incredible risotto. Tasty but simple. Risotto is a traditional Italian dish which you need to know just some tips and tricks to make it perfect. First of all, we are going to talk about the ingredients. This quantity of ingredients is enough for making 3 portions. You can also see the exact quantity of ingredients in description. For supporting me, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and drop a like on this video and comment down below what do you want me to make on next video. Here we have our ingredients. Here we have 2 small size onions, which you can use also a medium size onion. Here I have about a cup of arborio rice, a cup of parmesan cheese, a little bit of parsley, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of dry white wine, olive oil and black pepper. Here I have about 2 cups of chicken broth which has reached boiling temperature. First of all, we are going to start by mincing our onions. We should mince them very small and fine. Now we are going to add about 4 tablespoons of olive oil to our hot pan. And then we'll add our onions. Now we'll stir it well for about 5 minutes. Now it is about 5 minutes which I am stirring the onion. You can see the color change. Now I'm going to season it with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm going to add the arborio rice. We need to stir it about a minute. Remember, we are still using the high heat. After about a minute, I'm going to add the dry white wine. Now you should stir it continuously until the rice absorbs the wine. Now I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit for about medium to high heat. Stir it until the rice absorbs the wine. Now you can see that the rice has absorbed the wine. Look at it. Here we have our chicken broth. This is the most important trick that you should use to make a perfect risotto. Now we are going to add the broth. I'm going to add about 2 spoons. You should add a specific amount of chicken broth. You don't want it to boil and at the same time you don't want it to fry. Look, it should look like this. It isn't boiling and at the same time it isn't frying. If you don't add that golden amount, you are not going to get a perfect risotto. Now it has absorbed the broth. Now we are going to add it again. And we'll repeat this until we finish our chicken broth. It should cook about 20 minutes. And don't forget, the chicken broth should also be very hot. We are almost done. It was the last round that I added chicken broth. Until it's hot, now we are going to add the parmesan cheese. Now we'll mix it. Let's plate it. Here we have our dish. Now we'll add it. Now we'll give it just a few taps. Fill it up with a little bit of chopped chives. It's ready. It's ready. It looks incredible. It looks so tasty. Let's try it. It tastes incredible. Hope you guys make it and enjoy. For supporting me, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and drop a like on this video. See you guys next week. Bye.